Frivolous is used when someone does something purely for fun, without considering if it's actually necessary or important. Think of it as being carefree or doing something without much thought about its impact or consequences. When we say something is frivolous, we are talking about actions or things that aren't serious, are done for entertainment, or are just plain right unnecessary. So, if someone calls your behavior frivolous, it usually means that they think you are not taking something as seriously as you should. Think of frivolous in terms of its synonyms: trivial, flippant, inconsequential. Now, let's dive into the different forms of the word frivolous. The adjective form frivolous is the most commonly used. The adverb form is frivolously, while the nouns associated with the words are frivolity and frivolousness. Let's watch a video to understand this meaning better.
Okay, sweetie, I understand you have scars that no non-professional can heal, but nevertheless, we're going to throw Leonard a birthday party.
Have I pointed out that I'm extremely uncomfortable with dancing, loud music, and most other forms of alcohol-induced frivolity?
Alcohol induced frivolity refers to light-hearted, silly, or trivial behavior caused by alcohol consumption. An important point to note here is that for most of the time, if someone uses the word frivolous, it indicates criticism on part of the speaker. This is like saying it's not the time for being non serious. So, when you hear the word frivolous, it's not just about having fun, it's also about having fun at the wrong time. Next, what we see is a peculiar usage of the word frivolous, which comes from legal context.
The reason I won on this case is that I admire Esther and her company, and if someone's coming at her with a frivolous lawsuit, then I don't care how little I do. I just want to help you.
In a legal context, a frivolous lawsuit might be the one that has no substantial legal basis and is primarily intended to annoy or burden the defendant. A frivolous lawsuit, an inconsequential lawsuit. Let's have some more examples to understand the word frivolous. She made a frivolous purchase, buying yet another pair of shoes she didn't need. His frivolous attitude towards the work often got him into trouble with his boss. They filed a frivolous complaint that was quickly dismissed by the court. In these three examples, we are using the adjective form frivolous. Next, what we have is the adverb frivolously. He frivolously spent his first paycheck on a lavish party. They were accused of frivolously using company resources for personal benefit. The funds were frivolously wasted on impractical projects. He answered the interview questions frivolously, showing no real interest in the job. Next, we have the noun frivolity. The frivolity of the conversation made it hard to address serious topic. They enjoyed the frivolity at the carnival, taking part in all the games and fun. To summarize, frivolous refers to actions or things that are not serious or important, done carelessly or just for the sake of entertainment. It conveys a lack of seriousness or sensibility, often undermining the gravity of the situation. The adjective form is frivolous, the adverb is frivolously, and the nouns are frivolity and frivolousness.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.